Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by my buddy Connor, who is a mod on my Discord. I know exactly, well, I kind of know what's in it. But I'm excited to take a look at this and see what's inside. So thank you very much, Connor. I really appreciate that. I'm sure there'll be some more information. We'll find out. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers and some other benefits, there's, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's find out what is in this box. I think, you know what? Connor, now that I'm cutting into this, I just remembered you were like, I want you to unbox this live. I'm so sorry. We're already getting into it. But we'll show it. I'll make sure and show it again on the live stream, which actually you guys will probably have seen this well before this unboxing goes up. All right, that was a lot of space for this. Well packaged for sure. Let's see if I can get through each one of these little lines of tape here. Still sharp enough. Okay, we have this, and there's something else in here. Oh, wait, is this the M-Tech button lock? Oh my gosh. Now hang on a second. These scales surely are aluminum on the outside and steel underneath. Yeah, that is the case. So they're aluminum on the outside and steel underneath. But so he told me about this, and so this is an M-Tech that is a button lock, and it's not completely drop shut. It honestly is. I'll tell you right now, this is the most impressive. Just handling this for 2 seconds, this is the most impressive M-Tech I've ever handled. M-Tech, for anybody who doesn't know, is a brand that when I hear it is instantly waved off. M-Tech is one of the, I would say they're one of the main companies that, that a lot of us think of when we think of gas station knives. But you know what? I mean, they're still really insistent on the whole tip down only thing, but this isn't bad. I can't imagine it's made out of anything incredible in terms of the steel, but boy, the quality of the scales and the fitment of things is pretty good. This is way better than the M-Techs that I've actually experienced before. If I can find a link for this guy, I'll leave it down below. And then, oh, I'm sorry, there's another thing in here. Oh yeah, that's right. The micarta CGRB RIA. This is another one we're just going to briefly take a look at because I've already reviewed it. This is just an alternate variant of this guy, so thank you very much. And then this is the one that that we had discussed multiple times that I really wanted to take a look at. This is a Ontario Knife Company Carter Prime that has been customized. These are titanium. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I purchased one of these on his recommendation, and then I decided to open it up and see if I could adjust a couple of things, and I didn't realize that these are on loose bearings. So I almost immediately lost 2 of the bearings, and I ended up giving that knife away on a live stream. It still functioned just fine. I was just like, if I'm going to review it, it really should have been in its original state. So he sent me one that is, except for the titanium anodizing, and this one's much smoother than mine. This is not an expensive titanium frame lock. Is this? That's pretty much drop shut. Let's see if I can get it to that event horizon. Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. This is not an expensive knife. It is a full titanium frame lock made by Ontario Knife Company. It's titanium and D2, which, is it marked? No, it's not. But honestly, an impressive build. I'll link this guy down below as well. And same thing with the RIA if it's still available. I'm excited to look at this guy, for sure. Really excited to talk about it on the channel. This apparently has been around for a long time, and I just was not aware of it until Connor made me aware of it. So I'm excited. It's something that I think some people would really like. If you're into the kind of overbuilt titanium frame locks, but number one, want to get one that is made well and inexpensive, and number 2, one that is not a clone, because this is not a clone of anything. This is an original design. Then this might be something that interests you. But we'll take a look at it. We'll do a full review on it down the road. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.